Guys, this is it. The potholes. It's really beautiful. Need to find another spot though. Really beautiful. Should we go down that side?
This was one of our very first dates.
It's a pothole, man.
When we were still friends.
So pretty. Yes guys, so today is a nice beautiful day. I'm gonna see back. You know, a Monday night. I'm just joking. A Monday night out and a Monday alone. We have clothes and so much stuff in it. From the day, man, beautiful day. Nice. Nice day. So if any of my subscribers can tell me where I go. Yeah, I deserve $1 million. But an outfit, I don't know where I go. Nice day. Huh? Yeah, we decided to go at the lake today. We go to carry guys with us. See how that goes. So stay tuned for it, guys. Yeah, Bob. Stay tuned for it. People laugh. When the sun glare on you, baby, you look so sweet. Stay tuned, guys.
We're on our way to the Oyster River Potholes. It is one of the attractions here in Campbell River. It's just off the highway here. It's so beautiful. I brought my knee brace because it's not a long walk. It's just like 5 or 10 minutes, but a little bit uneven ground. So I do have my knee brace and my sneakers, and babe, you gotta help me. Because I am going to be having a knee operation soon, so I thought if we're going to get to this place, we need to go now.
Yeah, it's really hot out today, guys. So
very hot. It's like 29 degrees.
Tell you what, the first year I came here, Babe brought me to the Potholes. At that time, we were just friends, though, getting to know each other. And we had a really good time that time. And last year, I never went. You know what I mean? And we went to other lakes, visit other lakes and so forth. Pothole is number one, man. Nothing past that. The water is so clear and so good. And yeah, come along while we show you guys this experience. It's gonna be one too.
Yeah, and the water is really cool there, so we have to go on a really hot day. It's actually 30. Look, it says on the car it's 30 degrees out, so it's actually a really good day to go because the water is really cool. And I plan on swimming.
You know what? You guys don't laugh at me. My wife is a really good swimmer. I am not. Last year I nearly drowned. Last year I nearly drowned. I thought that, you know what? I'm not going back to no damn lakes or no water. But you know what? I take that fear out of me. I'm a man, right? So I gotta man up and go get it done and enjoy life with my wife. So that's what it's about.
And he played it off because I did not know anything about this till like later on. I didn't know.
She knew because listen, we went straight out in the lake.
But I didn't know you almost drowned, babe.
And I'm there because the current was going out while I'm coming in, so it's pushing me. And then for some reason I don't know if I caught my cord or what, but I start panicking, and then it was just a shit show. And you know what I mean. But let's see. Since that day I haven't go to no water, so let's see how today goes. Yeah. But my wife is a really good swimmer, really good swimmer, and I'm amazing how she swims and everything. But so let's see how it goes. Yeah, I'm here for it.
So I haven't been in the sun in the last, I don't know, almost a month now because I got sick and like a nasal infection or sinus infection, and the doctor put me on penicillin. And I broke out in this big rash, and my skin has been so itchy. So if you see bruises on my skin, scratches, it's because I'm scratching this itchy skin. Yeah, so hopefully it'll be gone soon. I'm taking lots of antihistamines and that, but I'm excited to get into water. Maybe it'll help. attacking me.
What can we do or say? You know what I mean? Like, the moment you get over one obstacle, there's another one.
I know. First it was my knee, then it was nasal infection, then it was my shoulder, but then the IMS treatment, the vlog that we did, the acupuncture, that worked. My shoulder got really, it wasn't hurting after that.
Yeah, but they have a saying to say back home, out of evil come good. And what I'm mostly impressed about is that the fact that she just take every obstacle, like she keep riding every obstacle, and she doesn't make it break her, you know what I mean? It's like she keep going no matter what. So I'm really proud where that is concerned, and yeah, babe, just keep going. Like there's nothing that's gonna ever, I don't think there's nothing can break her. You know what I mean? Sometimes like when I just know her, I was here alone in Canada, and it was just so hard for me. But you know which shoulder I had to cry on, and she's the medicine man. Like, you know what I mean? So the moment I find this beautiful, sweet soul here, it was like a godsend for me, because like a lot of pressure came off me then. You know what I mean? Because you gotta understand, like I'm alone here, you know what I mean? Depression, there's so much, like there's literally so much. Oh my god.
Look at this accident. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so there's so much I'm encountering, and it was just so hard for me, man. It was just really so hard. But you know what, we pushed through, and we have God, like that's why I put God at the center of everything, because He was the one. There's many nights I cried on my toilet. Never know, because back home I never cried. I think it was just so cliche to be crying and stuff like that. But now you come here in Canada, you realize it's okay to cry, it's okay to be emotional, you know what I mean? So when you look at it, I'm like, wow, I understand. See, you experience a different kind of life here, and yeah, I mean, I've grown so much, and just know that, you know what, nothing happened before it's time, and if you should be happy, you're gonna be happy. And just keep God at the center of everything, and He will work on this.
And the other things I used to tell him was just focus on the positive things.
Yeah.
You know, like where you are today is not where you're going to be next year.
Yeah.
You know, it's baby steps. You can only do one day at a time. And, you know, eventually you'll look back at all this. It'll just be a memory. And, you know, your life is getting better. It's going to be better. And you just need to go through this step by step until you get to the next step. And he just always told me that he thought about what I told him every day when he went to work, and it helped him get through the day. And look at us now.
Trust me, guys, there's nothing without God. You know what I mean? We are nothing. We are nothing without Him. And yeah, as I said before, I never had family, man, and that was what was killing me. It crushed me so much, you know what I mean? But then I find a family in my wife, and yeah, she does see the good in me when I don't see it. It's right there?
Not yet. I think we're gonna have to turn around because it's on the other side of the highway.
Yeah,
so just go to the end and come back, and we'll find it. Yeah. So we're just gonna go for a little drive while we're
not
while we're on our way.
Yes, so guys, yeah, stay tuned, because I mean,
it's gonna be beautiful. Wait till you see this spot. Okay, babe. I'm gonna ask you some questions to see if you know what they are. Okay. So, babe, what is a water line?
Water line.
Yeah, and this is like all female things. Okay. So, what is female use it? It's things that female would know what it is, and most guys don't know what they are. So do you know what a water line is?
Is it like a panty ship?
Oh my god, yes, babe. How did you know?
Taking care of people every day. I gotta change those
okay.
stuff.
Okay, and do you know what a pap smear is?
I think it's, yeah, I have an idea what a pap smear is.
Okay, what is it?
A pap smear is something you go to the doctor to check up your inside, of your womb to see if everything is 100%.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, do you know what a diva cup is?
That's what I don't know. A diva cup? A diva and a cup?
Do you think this is a diva cup?
No, I don't.
Wow.
Scam
So you don't think this is a diva cup?
No, babe. I don't think. I've heard the name before, but I don't think a cup is a diva cup. I don't know.
You were right. It is not a diva. Well, it is a diva cup because I'm a diva and it's mine.
You have a point.
Do you know what a mammogram is?
Mammogram, I've heard the name too. Is it something to do with your breast?
Yes, baby. Yes.
Check if your breasts have cancer and stuff.
Yes, yes. So you're doing really well. I'm really impressed. What else was the other thing? I can't think now. But you did really good, babe.
What is a diva cup though? You gotta explain that.
A diva cup is a thing that goes up when you're on your period. If you don't use a tampon or a pad, you can use a diva cup.
Oh, okay, I've
Yeah.
learned something. Okay.
But you did get the water line wrong.
What's a water line?
The water line is right here. Oh, I know the other question I was going to ask. What is almond shaped?
What is what?
Almond shaped.
Fruit, babe. I'm not even gonna lie.
Just guess though, babe. You gotta guess.
Almond shape.
Yes, guess. Guess what you think it is.
I don't know, babe. I'm clueless. I don't know.
You can't even guess.
Almond shape.
Yeah, shape. Shape. S-H-A-P.
Almond shape.
Yeah.
Is your body shape?
Yes, babe. How did you know? No, I.
I don't wanna.
It's the shape of the nail. Like you can get it almond shape or coffin shape. But you did well. I'm impressed.
Okay.
Fist pump because you're driving. So we're on our way to Oyster River Potholes. It's right off the highway.
Like getting our sunscreen on the way.
Oh,
Yeah,
don't want to burn.
Bad man like we don't need no sunscreen. Why in the sun? No beard in the sun.
I gotta put my knee brace on. I gotta put my sneakers on.
Guys, she's excited.
I'm getting ready. So guys, it's hard to know where it is. Not. There's always so many vehicles.
Oh my god.
It's a busy place when the weather. Slow down a minute because I don't want to. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. No, it's on the other end of this. Yeah. Go past this. Yeah.
Gonna get.
So keep going. It's past us. It's right there, but we're gonna. The gate to get in is over here. Okay, slow down though. Let's see if we can find a spot here somewhere. Yeah, let's just pull over here. It's this way somewhere. It's up here somewhere, but we'll find it. So it's here. Okay, guys. So. How we get there. Okay, so this is the gate that we have to go through.
Come this side, babe. Just use it and come through.
Okay. Alright, we gotta truck through some woods. I'm just gonna be careful. I do have my knee brace on and my sneakers, so Just gonna be careful. Babe, don't go too far because I might need you. Stay by me, okay? So here it is. We gotta get down there, but
Guys, this is it. I mean, the potholes really, it's really beautiful. We will find another spot though. Really beautiful. Did we go down that side?
this was one of our very first dates.
It's a pothole now.
When we were still friends.
So pretty. This guys, see? Beautiful, beautiful lake, you know? Me right here, so it's not bad.
What?
It's not bad. They're taking her time. Guys, a good day. I'm there too. I'm there, what, I'm there 3 years. I never see a Jamaican. Bro, me a video yet. Yo, I never see a Jamaican. And look here. What's that? Jamaican there. You see me? I have one more down here to see him way. Well, you can see him, but one more there to see him way, you know? My wife is there and the G-wife and sitting see him here, so. It's a good day.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
bush, whole bush.
Yeah,
Me plant yam them there.
yeah.
Yam, banana, all this.
Babe, this one the younger. My mom go from Kingston to Manchester to get like
Yam.
banana,
yeah.
everything. You know what I'm saying? Yes, so.
When I brought him here a
And it's
couple
like
years ago,
cold as fun.
I was like, isn't this like Jamaica?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah. When I say we come down the bush, I'm like, you feel like home, babe? Coming down the trail.
Yeah, guys, it's a nice day for come out, you know?
Nice day,
Feel
man.
it, yeah, man, trust me.
Yeah.
The thing active and nice. Yeah, man, stay tuned, guys. Guys, white, you know? This is more like a medicine for your foot. Babe, you gotta sit in it for a minute. I'll come and stop you. But you gotta sit in it for a minute. Even the dog got to take a swim,
So
guys.
cold, babe. Like, trust me. It's
Yeah.
like glacier cold. Trust me, it's not.
Yeah. Wash off the foot.
Guys, let me tell you, it is freezing, babe. Oh my God, you're doing way better than me. I did not get in that much. Wow. Guys, it is like ice cold water. Oh my gosh! I can't believe he did it. I have to do it now. Wow, I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. Oyster River potholes. sandals on.
So beautiful. Look at that. Look at my beautiful wife. Now look at that. Take a good look at that. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Wife is hiding the sun. How much people came out today at the river? Oh my God, this is nice. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Ah.
Wait, babe. Okay, it's going. There's babe. Wait, no, hold on. So, guys, he went down there, and he's gonna jump in this deep water. Wow. Yeah, good job. You made it.
I haven't feel any cold in there. It's nice up today.
You're gonna go down the river? Woo! He's loving it. That water is so cold, but he just doesn't mind.
Let me see if she has a good start. Beautiful, beautiful wife. Yeah, go for it. Oh, man. Worried about her glasses. I told you guys she's a good swimmer. Oh, babe.
Where's my glasses? Can I get them?
Babe, it's in the bottom of it.
I can't believe I just did that.
Because I didn't see you. Say hi to the camera.
Take a picture.
That's Babe, you held on to another rock. Babe, go around the other side. It's better around the other side. Or if you want to stay there, I don't know.
So this is a tradition of Jamaica where you go to a river or the sea and you slap the pain out. Let's hope it works.
This guy's up sucking her knee. With all the bad pain out of it.
Ready to go? Well, guys, that's it for this trip to the potholes.
Nature, look at nature, man.
Yeah.
Oh my god, so beautiful. This guy's heading out now, heading home. Come on, man, look at that. Look at that. You can't get no better than that, man. Babe loving it.
I do.
Trust me.
I'm
I
so
don't
happy
regret-
I was able to get in. I wasn't sure with my knee, but
Yeah,
Babe helped me and I was really careful.
I don't regret coming here.
No, we had a great day.
Yeah,
Thanks for coming along with us, guys.
Yeah, thanks for coming along with us, and yeah, I'm looking forward for all you guys' reaction on this video. Trust me.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
And turn on your notification bell so that you can be reminded or notified whenever we upload a new
Video. Peace out, guys.
God bless.
Ireland boss, and I represent for Akeen and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?